Okay, this is a how-to video for how to use Quizizz to create your own quizzes for the Math Choice Board. You're going to go to quizizz.com, like it says up here at the top, and then you're going to push where it says Get Started. Now you're going to want to make sure that you're signed into your school Google account, and we're going to select Sign Up with Google. You are going to select your school Google account. And this is where it takes you. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a new quiz. You're going to title whatever it's going to be. So if my Math Choice Board is about 15 different skills, then I am going to do Math Quizizz Review. My last name is Myers. You definitely want to title it something that your teacher can find. We're going to select the class and hit Next. And so now you can choose different things. You can make them open-ended. You could make them fill in the blank. You can make them multiple choice. If there's more than one answer, it would be checkbox. You're not really going to have a poll because these are going to have right and wrong answers. So we're going to go multiple choice. So this would be where you would type something in. So maybe you say, what is the sum of 1 2/10 and 3 6/10? Okay, this means I'm adding 1.2 and 3.6, which is going to give me 4.8. So whatever your answer is, you can type it in. And you're going to want to push this little green check mark next to the one that is correct. Now, then you're going to have to think about some wrong answers, right? Well, maybe somebody doesn't know what sum is and they accidentally subtract. So then 3.6 minus 1.2 is going to give me 2.4, okay? So come up with some answers that you think other people might get, okay? And then when you're finished, all you have to do is hit save, okay? Then down here you have your little buttons. So now you're going to choose the next one. Maybe the next one's going to be open-ended. So maybe you say, let's see, how do you, no, we don't want to say how do you multiply. Maybe we'll say something like, write the equation that represents 4 times the sum of 6 and 3. Okay, and actually that should be expression. And then they're going to type their answer, and then you're going to hit save. Just be careful because when you have something that's open-ended like this one, you are also going to remember that these are ungraded, which means you can't enter an answer, and part of your choice board is that you have to have the answer, which means somewhere, somehow, you're going to need to make sure that your teacher knows that you know the answer to that question. I wouldn't really recommend using a lot of open-ended ones because then you're just going to have to try and remember to go back and save them, okay? So when you're finished, you're just going to hit done. Obviously, you're going to have way more than this. You're going to add a title image, which isn't always super fun. So if you don't have something saved to your computer that you want to use, what you can do is where it says paste image link. So if I go to Google and I type in math in here and I go to images, okay, we'll take this one. So I will right click and I will get copy image address. Then I'll come back here, paste the image address in. Okay, select English. I am doing, oh, and it doesn't like that image link. You don't have to have an image. It's totally optional. You can find a picture and save it, or you can skip that part completely. My computer has decided it doesn't like what we're doing. Okay, 5th grade to 5th grade. Who can see this? This is important. You need to make sure this is public, visible to everyone. Save. And here is where you're going to share it. You're going to do this one right here that says share. We're going to click other sharing options, copy URL, And then here's the link to your quizzes that you will share with your teacher. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.